We're going to work this one that came earlier. I can't upgrade my system to Windows 11 from Anthony. Thank you, Anthony, for submitting this ticket. I get a message when I want to run Windows Update. Your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Windows. Meets the minimum system? Oh, specific timing for when it will be offered can vary as we get it ready for you. So this is related to rollout of Windows 11. A lot of here, let me show you here. This computer here actually needs to be updated. So, well, you can see here when you go to check for updates, you can see that, for example, this computer is not compatible, quote unquote compatible with Windows 11. Come on, it's taking a while to come up, and it will say you can't update it. In this case, and if you do the same thing on your computer when you go to Windows Updates and check the Windows Updates, I think in this case, well, here it is. I don't know why this, I clicked down there. Yeah, there are issues with this computer actually that I'm using here. It says here, this PC doesn't currently meet the system requirements to run Windows 11. Okay. He gets a message. Your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Windows 11. So you cannot install Windows 11 unless you have this special chip installed on your computer, which is hardware chip, right? It's physical thing that allows for secure boot, and I think that's what it's for, secure boot or something like that. I don't look into it because it's too early for me to update to Windows 11. I'm going to wait for Windows 11 to be out at least for a year. And after which they'll eventually let all the computers installed. What's happening here, Anthony, is that they're not going to allow you to install Windows 11 because they're still rolling it out to specific people. You know, they don't want everybody to suddenly switch to Windows 11 because it's not been tested. So, yeah, Windows 11 is technically out, but would you really want to be the guinea pig and be one of the first people to install it? Because you might have issues. It's still testing. This is why I'm not going to install it to begin with. And I see that you left a message here. It says, do you have an update to this issue? Yeah, sorry, man. I wish I could have gotten to you sooner on this. So I guess it's about 11 days later after you left that message. Is that you're better off just waiting and make sure that they make sure that that everything is going to work on your specific settings, your specific hardware settings. You know, this includes drivers for your computer. This includes drivers for your computer, and that's probably one of the reasons too. Like if you have a specific motherboard brand or a specific, I don't know, GPU or something like that, they want to make sure that that driver is completely compatible, or they're just taking their time on rollout, meaning that they're going to have a batch of people update to Windows 11 and then see how it goes. You know, they're going to test it basically. So I wouldn't worry about it, honestly. Don't worry about Windows 11, man. It's not, you're not really missing out on anything. And you'll eventually get it. Everybody's going to get it, whether they have a compatible computer or not compatible like this one here. They're eventually going to push it, because why wouldn't they want everybody to use their operating system? So that's what's going to happen there. Hello. This is probably related to rollout of Windows 11, meaning that some people will get it sooner than others. It's best to wait to make sure everything is compatible on your computer which will avoid issues. Potential issues after Windows 11 install. Yeah, please watch my video on this. Sure. That's how I'm just going to leave it here because I want him to actually listen to what I said about it and just kind of leave it at that. Resolved. Okay.